So what cleaning frequency do you recommend?
That's a very good question. It's hard to answer because it really varies depending on the type of soiling. So in Europe, generally, regardless of the European countries, we clean annually or once every 3 years. Here in Bissen, for example, the site is not very exposed to soiling. It is in a zoning where there is no production. These are offices. There is no agriculture nearby to stir up dust. So I would say once every 3 years, for example, might be enough. Afterwards, if we have on a site a cement factory, for example, it's better to clean. It can be 5 or 6 times a year at a minimum, or even more. If it's a sawmill, it can be twice a year. For a farmer where we do mulching with animal perspiration, it can be annually or even twice a year as well. And on the other hand, if we are in desert regions, it could be in Latin America, the Middle East, South Africa, or in Australia, in other desert regions, the dust rises quickly with a bit of wind, it settles on the panels, and there we can quickly lose a lot of production. So in those regions, for example, generally they wait on large solar installations. As soon as they have a 2% loss in efficiency, they clean. This means that there they might clean every 2 weeks or every month. So the cleaning frequency becomes very significant.